welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Chevy, GMC or Buick vehicle and you have a transmission, one of those transmission guys, 6T30, 6T35, 6T40, 6T45 or 6T50, and you get a code P0218 guys, stay with us, we'll explain what causes that, 2 reasons guys that could cause that, and how to fix it. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on every vehicle we get. Why? Because our goal guys is to save you as much money as we can. Please check out the playlist, okay, under our channel. You're going to find quite a bit of helpful information. All we need in return, like and subscribe. So let me explain now what I'm talking about. These same transmissions being used on so many Chevy, Buick and GMC vehicles, mostly the 4-cylinder ones. And if you guys have that code, okay, that I'm talking about, code P0218 guys, why is that? Okay, it usually happens, I noticed that most of the times it will happen after you service the transmission, after you change your transmission fluid. Why? Okay, stay with us, we will explain that now. So we have the transmission completely apart here. You can see this is the solenoid body, transmission computer right here, oil pan, and this is here guys the valve body. Okay, that thing right here, this is your valve body. So now guys, let me explain what is happening here. You can see we have that, it's called transmission fluid level check valve. Okay, this guy right here. So that transmission fluid level check valve guys, okay, this is the one that that valve is made out of special metal that okay, that expands and shrinks under certain temperatures. And when it expands, it reaches 60 degrees Celsius or 140 Fahrenheit, I believe. It's going to open and send the transmission fluid to a different place. But why you get that code guys? Now, it could be because of a malfunctioning valve, transmission fluid check valve, this thing right here. Or it could be guys, another reason is people will drain the fluid, okay, and they will not put the correct amount of fluid. They will overfill the transmission. This is the most common reason. They will add too much oil. As a result guys, that oil is going to be too much in the transmission. It's going to start foaming, and when it foams guys, okay, it even expands even more, and it cannot cool as easy because the foam doesn't cool as easy as liquid going through the radiator, and as a result guys, the transmission will overheat. Maybe it's not a bad transmission at all, maybe you just have a bad guys, okay, either a bad valve or you overfilled your transmission, and as a result guys, that is what is happening. So if you have one of those transmissions guys, hopefully the video will be helpful to you. We will have quite a bit of helpful information on the channel. Check it out guys again, we have playlists and we have information about replacing almost every single component on that transmission. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.